And that was it. What I haven't done is squirted some water into there, which is supposed to, and short circuit it, which is supposed to heat it up and get it going again. So I guess we could do that. We've got nothing to lose, and it's all available to us while it's all got the top off. Right. Disconnected those wires. Lifted that out. Take that off there. That off there. And we've got to squirt our 2 millilitres of water in. Okay, I'm back in 10 minutes. Right, we've left that standing. It doesn't say anything about emptying it. Move the switch on here to DC. So the lights are flashing. Oxygen bubbles are beginning to form there. There, in case you couldn't see where I was pointing. Right. Connect that to the upper hose. So we can see the water being pushed out, and short circuit these two. Which should cause it to heat up. Leave it like that for 5 minutes. I'm watching this reactivation, as it was called. So I had to squirt some water in there, then connect the hydrogen gas feed to it, and that should be pushing all the water out of that pipe there. And it has pushed a fair bit out, because that's wet. But I would have thought it would have pushed it out quicker than that. Anyway, that's the 5 minutes it said do it. So we'll reassemble everything. It didn't say anything about trying to squirt the water out of there, pushing air through it. Well, I don't think I've made any progress at all. That's still not inflating. There just doesn't seem to be any pressure coming through from there. I mean, it could be as simple as that balloon is too strong. So there's not enough pressure going through to inflate it. But like I say, in the book, it says 5 minutes, not 20 minutes, 5 minutes. Right. Are the wheels going to move? Well, yes, it lasted a little bit longer. But that was it. So, yeah, that was progress. insignificant progress. I suppose I ought to leave it on the table and see if it actually rolls forwards next time. Oh, this is a shame. You will have to watch the original video. There'll be a link in the video description. Because apparently I did get some reasonable runs with it originally. Well, it's been a long day and the microphones failed on the last clip. So I'll just do a voiceover. Well, it did actually run. Total distance, possibly about 2 feet. I had it pointing towards the camera at first, which confused me. So by the time I realised that and turned it round the other way, it only went about a foot in the opposite direction. So, yeah, pretty awful, to be honest. Although that's better than where we were in part 1. Well, I was trying last night and didn't have any success. I thought I'd give it one more go this morning. And yeah, that was it. Yeah, that's it. We're just not getting the gas into there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.